air scoop?
Yep. The boiler water goes in one side, and it separates the air in here and comes out with no air in it. The air rises up into this and vents out this vent. We'll get a close-up of inside the air scoop. This is what's known as a contact adhesion air scoop. There's a brush in here and a stainless steel cage, and when the water goes through and makes contact with this brush, the bubbles stick to it. Much like the bubbles stick to the side of a soda bottle, same thing, they'll stick to the media in here, and it allows the air to rise up and vent out, keeps the air out of the heating system. Back when we had radiators in houses, you would bleed the air out of the radiators. If there's air in the radiator, or in this case in a piece of baseboard, air doesn't transfer heat like water does. It's inefficient. It also causes no heat conditions where too much air will build up and make an air pocket, and the water won't circulate. So you want to keep the air out of the system.